In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a webinar funnel in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get a basic webinar funnel up and running, ready for you to customize and start collecting registrations. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want this webinar to live. From the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on Sites. This is where Go High Level keeps all of your funnels, websites, and, in this case, webinars. Think of it as the central hub for anything your audience will see publicly. Once you're inside the Sites area, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top. Look for the tab labeled Webinars and click on Webinars. This will switch the view specifically to your webinar funnels and templates. If you haven't created any webinars before, this section may be empty and that's totally fine. You're about to add your first one. Next, look for a button that says New Webinar Funnel. This is usually located near the top right of the screen. Click on New